Welcome back to the annual Fresh Food for Life Get Growing Challenge. Last year, we had so much fun sharing photos, seeing what people are growing, sharing our own experiences, and making it a fun community time that we want to do it again. This year, we want to encourage even more people to get growing, to enjoy growing, to get that excitement from growing something. Maybe you're into growing flowers. Maybe you're into growing edible flowers. Maybe you're into growing trees, fruit trees. Or maybe you're into growing decorative trees. Whatever you've got growing on, we want to be part of it. We want to share it with the community. And we want to be inspired, and we want to help inspire others too. Since this is a global challenge, some parts of the world can be further along in their growing, right? Some of us, like, we still have snow on the ground there, right? So we're a little behind, but in another part of the world, somebody may already have flowers blooming. And the fun part about being part of this worldwide challenge is you get to see things happening in different places, and you get to experience the joy and the excitement all along the world. So if in the Caribbean they're already blooming and they have flowers, we can experience that. In Canada, northern Canada, where it's cold, we can still see, oh, we're getting into seed planting. So it's a chance to be part of the journey all along the way and have fun. We see this challenge as a holistic, all-encompassing part of a garden. So maybe instead of growing, you're building a new garden bed. Maybe you're building a decorative arrangement for flowers. Maybe you're building an outdoor pizza oven to complement your garden space. All of these things are exciting adventures and things we can share with each other to make the place beautiful and enjoy growing and enjoying nature together. So whether you're starting a new garden or expanding your old garden, we'd love to hear about it. We want to know about it. So visit the website freshfood4life.com/2023GGC. So that's Get Growing Challenge. So it was really fun talking to you. I hope you have fun in the challenge. We're excited. We've got some great ideas what we're gonna do this growing season, so we're really excited about it. And we're excited to showcase it to you too. Maybe give you some ideas and learn from your ideas. So I'll see you in the challenge, and until next time, continue to learn and grow. Goodbye.